Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check processor details in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings and then go to about phone. Go to about phone and here you will find processor details. In my case, processor details is given 2.5 gigahertz Dimensity 7300 octa-core is given. So in this way you can easily check out processor details for your phone. Okay, what you have to do, go to the settings, then go to about phone, and there you will find processor details. Okay, in the first place itself it will be showing. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.